Everyone thinks that as long as the SEER rating is high, you're getting the best deal on the market. But here's the kicker. Two units can have the exact same 27.5 SEER efficiency on paper, yet one will leave you hanging if the compressor quits, while the other is built like a tank for the worst winters on record. If you choose based on that number alone, you're missing the real story of what happens after the installer leaves. I'm a former Navy nuclear electrical operator with over 17 years in the HVAC game. Today, I'm tearing down two 27.5 SEER powerhouses to show you where your money is actually going. We are pitting the GE Endure series against the higher Arctic Next General. Both of these are sitting at that elite 27.5 SEER mark, but they represent two completely different approaches to ductless comfort. Corrosion is the silent killer of mini splits, especially in humid or coastal areas. Both units use coated coils, what Haier calls their blue fin technology. This is a hydrophilic coating that helps water slide off the aluminum fins, preventing the white rust and pitting that eventually destroys your efficiency and leads to refrigerant leaks. Since these are high SEER units, they both utilize DC inverter-driven variable speed compressors. Instead of slamming on and off, they modulate their speed to match your room's heat load exactly. These are the systems that pay for themselves over time compared to a standard 14 or 16 SEER unit, especially if you live somewhere with high electric rates. The GE Endure comes in at an average of $1,410. The Haier Arctic is a step up. Averaging $1,904, you're looking at about a $500 difference for the same efficiency rating. The higher Arctic is rated for 100% heating capacity at 5 degrees Fahrenheit and can stay running all the way down to minus 31 degrees. Both brands offer a solid 10-year limited parts and compressor warranty. However, there's a catch here that most homeowners miss. If the compressor fails on either of these, you're getting a new part, not a whole new outdoor unit. If you let the mesh filters get dirty, the system will detect the lack of airflow and ramp down the compressor to protect itself. You'll think the unit is broken because it isn't cooling, but really, it's just starving for air. Clean those filters once a month to keep that 27.5 SEER performance alive. If you are looking at a straight up efficiency to dollar ratio, the GE Endure wins because it hits that 27.5 SEER mark for nearly $500 less than the Haier. In the vast majority of moderate climates, you will never need the extreme sub-zero heating capability of the Arctic series. Paying the premium for the Haier only makes sense if you live in a region where the temperature regularly drops below zero. Otherwise, the GE gives you the exact same cooling performance and energy savings while keeping more cash in your pocket. Shop like a pro. Check out the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com for more direct comparisons.